I
Do you
mean,
think we're done when we've written up the writing specs?
I guess so,
I think so too.
because I mean we've blocked off all the ways of accessing the volunteer ops feature. Don't you think?
Yes, we
Okay,
have.
then.
There's no other way into it that I know of. We could read the
Yeah.
cucumber and see if there's anything we've missed.
Okay, hold
Right.
on. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I do.
Okay. One sec. The another problem I hate with Docker was that I installed Nginx on my machine, and because
hmm
of that, like my Apache web server was like totally wasted, and now I can't access the web server on my instance. Like if like previously, if you have a look at my screen, when I browse to my instance, used to have a list of files here, but now it's just replaced by some server which does not have nothing. So
Oh, okay. Do they used to? Oh, so you set up an Apache to browse your files?
yeah,
Yeah, and it got wiped out by this thing. Oh, that's
and there's Nginx.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, by Nginx. Yeah, but it says at the bottom that it's Apache.
Yeah,
So
I know, but like when I uninstall it, like it was working fine, and when I uninstall Doku, it just got like
Apache didn't come back.
you know. I might have to spend some time one day, but I just don't get the time.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
so
right. hmm Right. Yeah, I see your screen. I see your terminal screen now, and Ruby mine.
let me just run the specs once.
Yeah.
I think something was failing. I just don't remember. There was one thing in Cucumber which was failing though. Yeah, I can run. And one thing is weird here. If you have a look, like before running every test, it runs these migrations, which is just complementary of each other. Something like add column, remove column, add column, remove column, add column, remove column.
Oh, yeah. Is there a way to make that window bigger?
Yeah, I forgot. I switched back because it was looking very weird for me this morning. So I'll just switch over again. Hold on.
No, I saw right the text is big enough, but I just can't see that window in the bottom right. It's
No, no, never mind.
Oh yeah, that's good.
I'll do that. Font
hmm
16. Okay, just like that.
hmm
I don't think this font can be made bigger.
No, but I wonder if you can pop the window out of this little dock,
Okay.
so I can read more lines of it.
Now,
Yeah, that helps. So remove column page. Oh yes, those are one of the cucumber tests. It's a cucumber test for no, it's an aspect test for migration.
what?
It's the first migration test we have because it's the first time we've had a smart migration that actually manipulated data.
Can I see that?
Yeah. I'll well, if you go into Cucumber, no, sorry,
Just
into
hold on.
RSpec, you'll find
I just
migration tests.
just hold
But
on.
I will open it on my screen here.
Yeah, where is it?
It's in Cucumber
Yeah.
features.
Then
Then it's oh, I don't see it. How? It's not in Cucumber. It's in RSpec. In the spec file, I spoke wrong.
yeah, spec migrations add link visible to spell check.
That's the baby. Yes.
And if I go to the migration, let's see what that is about.
Yeah, it's called add link visible flag to page.
Ah, right. So is this for the editable footer links?
Yes, that's right. Yes.
So can you tell me what this does, just for the sake of curiosity? I wanted to know what this does.
Yeah, it makes me wonder whether it should be documented more. Okay. Um, page.reset column information just reinitializes the model, and then the next one finds the 404, the custom 404 page, and then the next line hides the link for the custom 404 page if it exists.
Okay. Oh, so now I get it. It's like for every page you wanted to have a true, but only for the 404 page you wanted to have false. So that's right, right?
Mm-hmm. It gives somebody a starting place.
Well, that could have gone in seeds, but never mind.
Uh, yes, except that somebody wouldn't run seeds when they're doing the migration. But all of that can go in seeds. Probably it should be in seeds. Actually, uh,
And on that topic,
that's an
I start
omission.
wondering, like I start wondering if we should test seeds also or not.
Hmm. Yeah, there are some tests for it, I think. Um, add link visible flagged. Yeah, we've got, yeah, the spec. And seeds and pages doesn't permanently seed them, it just sets them up for the test.
Okay, so it seems like the aspect is passing that we just run the cucumber and then we can start. All right.
Hmm. So now you know what those mysterious
Yeah.
repeated migrations are.
I was wondering like how does it well,
Hmm. And they're going to be a performance issue eventually, especially if we do more of them. Um, what I said to Marion is when we wrote it, is that we should retire the migration and their tests at some point, because anybody starting up new should run db create and they won't need the migrations. I don't know. I suppose this with an open source project and unknown users, there's always going to be somebody that's going to be behind that wants to run
yeah.
migrations. Um, it eventually reach a point, like with the Linux distributions, they say, well, you can only upgrade from the latest one. You can't upgrade from old ones. So if you want to upgrade from 3 years ago, you have to go get our 2 years old one from the repos, upgrade to that, and so on, step by step.
It's usually better in that case to just remove and start from scratch. Huh.
Yes, to reinstall. Yes. With Debian, it nearly always works. So I think with some others, it's less convincing.
This cucumber is taking so much time. Okay, cool. So let's, David.
Yes, still here.
Yeah. So since the specs are passing, I guess we can start writing the routing specs, right?
Yeah, I think so. I'm sure we can.
Yeah. 1 minute. Hello.
Still here.
Yeah. Had to go. Okay. So let's start that. There's
Yeah,
already, I guess, a routing spec, so we can just write over that.
yeah.
Yeah. I was thinking of putting this in the context.
Hmm. I don't understand those.
Um, what is it?
Yeah, these assertions here, the ones in the Rails guide, they don't seem to. They're here, sorry, on my screen at the bottom of the routing guide. They
Yeah, I'm
seem to
just
be,
go on.
well, they don't seem like. Oh yeah, that's all right. Yes, I see what
Yeah, what I'm wondering is like, how do
what
I
they
test
do.
if it's uh, generates a
Active.
404?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Well,
I think
yeah,
you
I
can
could
do.
do this. Hold on. For each, like, I could say it should generate active record not found.
Yeah, think that the attribute's called active, not disabled.
Alright, let's try this. I'm not really sure if this works or not yet. Okay, but why doesn't it raise an error? Is the question.
Hmm.
What?
So what happens without the pound sign? I was looked away from your screen for a minute, I'm afraid.
No, I mean it doesn't raise an error when I run that.
Yeah. That's an error, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean that it should raise an active record not found error.
Oh, it's the reason why. Let me see the error. I'll talk you through it.
Yeah,
I was
I
wondering
know.
about
Like
that.
I mean I know why this error is being raised. That's not the problem. But the problem is like when I run the spec, why isn't the error being raised?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hold on. I guess I need to do some things which will make sure. Step definitions.
It would be an RSpec support, wouldn't it? Yeah. Oh, I see. You're copying it over.
Where are the hooks?
I'm looking.
Do you know where the hooks are stored?
I don't know yet. There's a Stack Overflow question about this, though.
Alright, it's there.
Oh, this is not in RSpec. This is in
Yeah, I know, but this would work.
application code.
Alright, it's being rescued here. That's why. So it's being rescued in the custom errors,
Okay, where
and
is it? Yes.
and it should raise an error 404, I guess. So, yeah. But then it should raise an 404 error. Hold on, which is weird.
Yeah, it should raise a 404. I think we need to change the application to make it raise a 404.
Alright, I guess it's because it raises in 404, and because it's not, it's like, what's interesting is if you have a look here, according to the custom address page, this should be raising a 404, but instead it raises a record not found and pages controller does show.
Yeah, but that should raise a 404 too. It's pretty odd. Wow, Skype is laggy today.
Wow.
What?
Request.
So I posted that message more than an hour ago.
Yeah, no, I'll just put debugger here.
I don't know if you can. Do you have to pad the debugger?
I don't know. Wow. See, now this is interesting because there is like the debugger doesn't fire up for some reason.
I think you need to pad it with a no operation line underneath. Oh, you've done it. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
If it's raising an error. Oh yeah.
I
So is
just the
it
post
passing?
volunteer ops. Like, I mean, just three errors are being. Oh, sorry, I was in the wrong. Yep, that was it. I was in the wrong directory, and I was running the wrong file. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Request page current URL. Oh no. So there's basically nothing I can run with now. So how am I supposed to test that then? Get volunteer ops. Wow. Rendered. Now render.
I don't think writing specs render anything.
Oh god.
I think the
I
routing
I need
specs
I need
stop
to
the
find.
controller.
Yeah. I testing routing rails spec. Now routing specs. No. Ah, yeah. So this is there. Why was I being such a foolish guy when this is there?
Oh yeah, that's I didn't know about that either.
expect.
But it is going to be writable, but I think you're right, we should make it not writable.
See, I told you my clipboard was totally messed up, and this is what looks like.
Yeah,
They-
the terminal. Hmm. So it's still bad, it's not been fixed.
I mean, the clipboard, like it prints some random characters every now and then, like
Oh.
this. Expect? Alright. And that was kind of shocking, like, where does expect? So it seems like this is what is causing the problems. Do you realize, like,
I just can't read the red text at all. Can you change the background color in the terminal a minute or something
yeah, I'll
so
show you
I
what
can
the
read the
problem
red
is
text?
actually.
Okay.
So here, if you have a look, expect get, it says expect get to be like failure, expected get not to be routable, but it routes to control a page's action show. So the
Yeah.
problem is like, say if this is not routable, then it automatically goes to your this pages, which is
Mm-hmm.
causing the problem.
Yes. Because pages in routing.rb is a matcher that matches on almost anything in the route path.
Yeah.
What does it do? Config
So
routes.rb.
that is what the problem is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So I don't.
we've got what we've got is 3 lines. We've got, let me see what the
So the only
lines 22 onwards in the routes.
so the only hacky solution I can think of right now is this to where is it? And that's a pretty bad way to do this. So I just don't
Mm.
like it. Have a look. Ah, see that?
But why don't we say, well, it should be a 404 and then manually put in a route to say it is a 404. It's only the case for the index. We only should have this problem with it. Yeah, with the index, we shouldn't have this problem with the
I mean, yeah, only the index,
to have
true.
with all the other with
So
the
wait, what was it?
crud routes.
ID. Yeah, true. That's right. But yeah, we also will have it with post, right?
Um,
Post
yeah, we'll
volunteer
have it.
ops.
Yeah, for creating a new one.
No, no, we
Yeah,
won't
we
have
will.
post because it's like put. So that's something that's nice. Good.
Well, no, update is put, but post. Well, post isn't actually
Not there.
rated manually, so it should be all right.
Ops. Now let's see.
I don't know
Well,
how the post is routed. I'll just have a look at the controller and see.
I think there is no post. I don't know.
Yeah, create is routed. Well, it doesn't say where it's routed. So new. Where's new? Yeah,
I mean,
it doesn't have any special routing, so it should just
okay, so that works.
it
Perfect.
just import as new. Oh, let me see. Yes.
So for the others, I can just have it as it is.
Hmm. Yeah.
Good. Good. Reformat. Right. Perfect. What is this?
Um, the
I think I
video is
missed.
quite laggy, so I'm not sure.
Oh, never mind. Smidge.
You've got a misspelling somewhere in your at line 41.
Ah, I think like there was a shortcut that was in RubyMine to automatically reformat the code, but that shortcut just locked my machine.
Oh, that's not nice. Oh, I see. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, it was captured by this by the desktop. Yes.
Now that that's better, I can do
Yeah,
it. Does
you
not
fixed the
route.
spelling error in line 41. Yeah, you've done that already.
So how do I do that? It's
I mean, it should not very good enough.
huh?
Oh, I'm not sure what you're asking. Oh, you can do, yeah.
Has. Why are these useless characters coming from? I just have no idea.
What do you want to?
Perfect. So let's just try that out. 74. Perfect.
Whoa.
Now I'll just add a comment there. Uh, this this is the only way of testing this route because of the way the pages routing is set up. Bus needs to be changed. This will always throw a raise a active record record. I'm just adding this so that other developers know why this was
Yeah,
added.
yeah, it's a
Record
really good
not
comment.
found error unless there is a static page with the uh,
Permalink.
permalink
Yeah,
volunteer ops. Perfect. Now that that's done, I can just commit that and we can make a pull request. What do you think?
yeah,
Well, before I do a pull request, I had a few other things I'd like to address. Commit slash m added adding routing specs for volunteer feature flags. Ah, what? Gate push origin volunteer flag.
Do you think
Yeah.
we need some documentation? Do you think we also need a rake task for that run one liner to initialize the database?
Why do we need that? Because if you have a look at the way my model is set up, if that record does not exist, it's automatically returns true.
Ah, it's automatically active. Yeah, so we don't need it. Yeah.
Now that that's done, I was just thinking of extracting this, but I think this will be good enough, don't you think?
Yes, I think that's a separate pull request to extract that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Um,
Cool.
I wonder if it. Well, where should we put the comment though? Maybe maybe that belongs as a comment in the feature class. As a class comment.
No, I guess that's that. Which one is it?
The
Which comment are
comment
you
you
talking
just
about?
removed. The comment you just removed in line two. The way to generically flag routes.
Yeah. Okay, just give me a minute, all right? I'll hold on for a minute, all right? Yeah, I had to take a phone call. Sorry. Hello.
Hello. Yes, I'm still here.
Yeah. You're saying about that comment, right? You said that will be a class comment. I didn't quite get you at that. Then.
Yeah, in the feature.rb file, I think we could put that in the class comment tag.
I mean, why do you want that there? I mean, I added it there so that if you were to extract it as a class, so that we could have it for each and every feature, we could have a uniform. I mean, a
Yes.
uniform class. So that is why
I
I
see.
kept the comment there. So that's why.
Oh, you have kept it. I thought you deleted it.
I mean, I was thinking of deleting it because it was there in the comment history and I could fetch it at any moment. So
Hmm.
I don't think there's much need for this, so I was just deleting it. Like I could fetch it always. So, what do you think? Like, should I delete it?
Oh, what I was saying is when we're documenting feature, we're writing, we haven't written a class comment for it yet. We should um,
First of all,
explain.
I don't really get what you mean by a class comment actually.
Oh, it's just comment lines above line one where we document what the class does, how a user should use it.
Okay, yeah. Oh, now I
Yeah,
get it. So,
how someone
I
developing
mean,
client classes should use it.
I have pushed it up. So, like, could you fetch that and write that for me if that's possible?
Yeah.
Thanks. Because I'm not really sure what I'll write in that. So, it'd be better if you could.
Yeah. Okay. Is that comment still there?
Yeah, it's still there.
Yeah.
In my last push it was there.
Yeah.
If you fetch the latest, have you fetched the latest?
I have, yes. Um, I'll double check that I have fetched the latest. Yeah. So,
In the routes, just mention specifically in the routes.
mm-hmm. Yeah.
In the routes, add this as a constraint to the route you want to flag. Yeah, and then you can use. I guess you no need to have that,
Mm-hmm.
or you could put it as a to do
Mm-hmm.
in
Mm-hmm.
a new line or under that. Just put a to do.
Yes.
Um, in fact, just put it under that. Yeah.
Mm. Is there should there be curly braces around that?
No, I mean it'll be used like as a parameter.
Mm-hmm.
Ruby isn't required, I guess. Why do you want Ruby?
Just to colorize it.
Okay.
Um,
And now you can check if a feature flag is active by using feature.active,
mm-hmm.
something like that.
Mm.
Well, you know what? On line number 11, just remove that and like the whole request.env and make it uh, my feature name. I mean, I'm not really convinced with that because that would make it necessary to like make sure that the controller is always the
Mm.
same as the feature name. So
Mm.
just make it my feature name on line number
But
12.
you could say, yeah, you could just, oh, yeah. Oh, if
Well,
your feature
I
name
would.
is
I mean,
the same as the controller name,
well, instead,
yeah, I'll
I
just do
would prefer
this.
like just don't do that. I mean, I would prefer
You
if
don't
it
like it
just
at all.
no, it just adds to the complexity. I don't
Mm.
like that. Just keep
Okay,
it
you want
as
to throw it away.
yeah.
Yeah,
I just wanted to have the way we are doing it. That will be better. Yeah,
and throw this away.
yeah. Throw that away and yeah, throw that away and then before the lambda, just add
Because,
in a constraint. Hold on. Yeah, write that after. Yeah, just add constraint
yeah, I can't
and
remember the.
yeah, I'll
Oh,
tell you
sorry.
constraints
Yeah, and
constraints. Yeah, there has to be a
I've got it here.
curly
There
brace.
has to be a colon after it, not before it.
Yeah, and there has to be a curly brace. Yeah, and that's
I
just the
can't
new
remember if there has to be
syntax
a
for.
blank line here. Right. I think there has to be a blank line there.
Nope,
I'm trying to
actually it
remember
doesn't.
this. In Markdown, there doesn't have to be a blank line to for code. This is essentially Markdown when you compile
Oh,
it with
oh,
your.
I get it.
Yeah, I mean you don't. It should be human readable when you open the code, but you can compile it with Markdown. That's where Ruby um, .info gets its code from.
In Stack Exchange Markdown, you need to have another line, so I don't know what's up with this.
In Stack Exchange Markdown, you need a blank line.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know if you need a blank line after. Probably it helps anyway. And reverse once feature activate.
yeah, it looks so much better, you know.
Mm-hmm. The only disadvantages of is unlike RSpec, it's not runnable. Um,
The
deactivate and activate. So that's it.
I don't think you need a blank line between those. Remove that
No, we
blank
don't.
line.
Yeah, it's just a paragraph.
Yeah, and line number 19,
Mm-hmm.
add curly braces around the lambda.
Oh yeah, around here. Yeah, and you don't need to. Oh, I think we don't need this. Then we don't need to capture the
Yeah, right.
variable that's passed in. And I'll be polite and put spaces around my curly braces. And I'll run the R specs again.
Just run the specs for routing. And what's that reverse I search, by the way?
The what search? Oh,
Reverse.
reverse Control R searches through your history.
Okay. My already
Reverse
that's
incremental search.
that's that's built in into
That's
my.
bash.
I mean
If
that's
you're in
built
Z shell, you won't have it. You
yeah
might not
that
have it built into bash.
No, in Z shell it's just like if I type in, let's say, G, then it circles through
Mm-hmm.
the G already. There's default reversal.
Mm-hmm.
It's default. So if I want to do something like, I think, ace H,
Mm-hmm.
up, yeah, it's already there. So even if it's not there in my history, it's there.
Mm-hmm.
Because there in Z is ZSH, it has an extended
Mm-hmm.
history. I guess the specs are passing, you can run them then.
Mm-hmm.
Is the specs is the spec passing?
Specs are running.
It's almost.
Because I know Zeus, I'm having to load it up from scratch. Reboot Rails.
Do you know one thing? Like, you see your specs takes 3 minutes,
Oh yeah. Oh, that's yes, it does. It's quite
and
slow. This Vagrant. It doesn't.
it takes 23 seconds on my machine.
Does the same on my cloud machine. This is Celeron processor. It's quite good. This is
Uh,
the
I
Vagrant
told
box,
you.
and I'm not sure it's too good.
I guess you need to have a request because that will cause a failure, I guess.
Yeah. Config routes here. You can't do that. Yes. I didn't realize that you had to send that in as an argument.
Yeah, that I think that's because it yields a variable and without checking anything.
Yeah, I thought you could
Yeah.
just throw away yielded values. And I'll copy this to.
Space.
Mhm.
Oh, it's raining here.
Or is it?
Yeah.
Do you eat meals and code at the same time?
What is it?
Do you eat meals at the same time as you're coding?
Meals or nails?
Meals do you eat for
Yeah,
dinner when you're coding?
I had my lunch when I was
Yeah,
pairing.
I
When I was
thought you did.
pairing, that's why I was taking breaks
Yeah.
because I didn't want to leave you midway on your session.
Well, thank you. I wouldn't have minded now if if you'd ask.
You didn't
I
run.
find it quite nice to take.
You didn't add the request to the comment there on line
Thank
19.
you, and you had forgotten something.
I just hope that passes. Can you just comment it up? I just want
Hmm.
to send a pull request because there's no power right now here, so I don't think I can last long.
All right. Yeah.
Just 15 minutes.
Hmm.
It should be enough. I don't
Ah, where's it gone? Yeah.
And then let the spec run first, I guess.
Yeah. I guess you can always undo it if spec fails. Yeah.
Yeah, it's passing. Comment it.
Hmm.
I wonder how much time does your Travis builds usually take?
How about 10 minutes? But at quiet times, at busy times like I don't know, midnight your time, it's really slow. It can take a lot longer.
Yeah, I wonder if you use Zeus on Travis, what would happen? Uh,
Ah, that's a good question.
let me do a Google search. Something will surely come up. Yeah, another thing is like I was searching up the solution. Like usually, the what do you say? Hold on. I mean, the bundle install on Travis usually takes around 8 to 9 minutes, which usually takes the most of the time. So there is a way like where there's a shell script which I can add to the Travis CI for Travis with YML, which can download the all the bundler gems, and we won't have to install it. So like
Oh yeah.
the Travis builds would become 2 minutes. The only thing is that I need
Sorry.
an The only thing is that the we need an S3 account for that, and I don't
Ah,
have an
so you don't,
S3 account.
how does your well you do, but you just don't necessarily want to share it with everybody else.
No, it's not that. Yeah, that's one reason because I wouldn't want to be a fool like Thomas did, who shared his S3 key and then paid ten thousand
Yeah, yeah,
dollars in
yeah,
bills.
yeah, yeah. It's rather nasty. Yes.
So that's why.
Yeah.
I mean, I mean, well, I could share it because I could encrypt the, what do you say? I could encrypt the builds. So I
Mhm.
mean, I could encrypt my credentials, so that's not a problem. But I'm worried about like if I use that, and then some people just kick up a few builds, and
Mhm.
then like, what do you say? My Travis, I mean S3 usage will be finished, and I'll be charged money. So.
Yeah, I think maybe we could put it on Dropbox. At least I don't
Yeah,
have
but
a Dropbox account yet, so I don't have
yeah,
no.
I could do that because Dropbox does not have limits on usage, and I have 50 GB on Dropbox, so that's. I'll try on S3. Like I'm still in my free usage limit till September, so I'll try that out once.
Yeah, I don't think your free usage only covers EC2 and
No, it covers
Elastic
S3 as well.
Copy. Oh, it does. Good.
Yeah, I think it does. Hold on. aws.amazon.com S3, but it's pretty. What do you say? Like it's.
Yeah, I got a year of free usage even though I've been an Amazon AWS user for years. I don't know why they gave it to me. They give me, but they.
So I think you pay for AWS now, right?
Yeah, I pay for it now.
Yeah, see, like it says AWS free tier includes 5 GB storage, 20,000 GET requests, and 2,000 post requests with Amazon S3. So I'm doing that today.
Yeah,
Because if I wait too long, then my usage will be over. I mean, free usage.
yeah.
And I'm thinking I don't know what would happen. What will happen after my free usage is over? Like, will I be paying every month or not? Or will I just retire my AC2 account? Not really know.
Your S3 account, as long as it's empty, you don't need to retire it. It doesn't cost you
Yeah,
anything if it's
no, I mean
empty.
I was thinking of for EC2.
Oh, EC2, that's true. Yes. Yeah, you need to shut down your instance, and then you need
Yeah.
to discard the frozen instance. What's it called? The AMI. You need to discard that, otherwise it sits on S3 running up bills.
Perfect.
It's not very expensive, but it's not
Perfect.
free.
Yep. I got a job for today.
Right, so you writing a pull request. You need to synchronize with mine and then make pull request.
Is it possible for you to write the pull request or?
Of course, I'm quite happy to. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Copy screen screen dash ls. That's bad. Yes. It's not that. Boom. Go on. Close terminal. Perfect. Ah. You need to. I guess since it's over, so I'll just shut down my development machine. I think there's nothing much I need to do right now, right?
Right? No, I don't think no session is or coding session is over.
Yeah, and my UPS is shutting down, so bye.
Oh, okay. Bye bye. Power cut.
I mean, I lose my internet, so.
All
Probably, I
right.
don't know. I can manage. Hold on, let me just try. Ah,
You
bye
can
bye.
really manage without UPS. Bye bye. You need to
Bye
let it
bye.
recharge for the morning.
Wait. Oh my
What
god,
meeting?
that's
Oops.
so
Yeah.
awesome. Can you hear me?
Yeah, and I can see you hitting the shutdown button. It's very
Wow.
sad.
I mean, how is that possible? Like, just as the UPS was about to run down, my Ubuntu shut down. So interesting. So I'm still there and live and walking.
What, did the power cuts over?
No, the power cuts there, but like since my computer was open, so my UPS was like, what do you say, getting more load, so it
Yes.
could handle. And just as my PC shut down, it automatically, what do you say, it revived up, and then I can just run my modem now. Ah, this guy, this guy on the forum is just randomly closing each and every question, and I'm just so pissed off. And I need to revert all of his closes.
All right. Here's what
Yeah,
Mr. Jones did when he first started. When
huh?
we first when we first tried a Stack Overflow type forum, someone wanted to close anything that wasn't a question.
I mean, this guy's pretty experienced on he spent some time on Stack Overflow, so I guess that's why he's
Yeah.
just uh, so like people on Stack Overflow are pretty strict. So good. Let me check the IRC and see what. And by the way, I need to share this with you. Have a look at my screen.
Mhm.
Like while you're writing the pull request, I need to show you this interesting piece. Something I found very interesting on the IRC the other day. Can you see my screen?
Mm. Sorry. Yeah. I see your screen now. Is that Dropbox?
No, it's the IRC
Oh,
chat. So
IRC. Yes.
I don't think if you can hear it or not, see it properly. So I'll just read out the script. First,
Yeah,
this
I can see.
Ahmed guy. There's these two guys, Ahmed and Jake. So Ahmed, do you hire developers from home? Jake says, I am a small little non-profit, and we have a solid team. And then Ahmed says, I want to work as a software developer to practice. Then Jake says, Jake says, currently we are all full up and we aim to hire locally, but we do have one guy that commutes, so it's not off the table. Then he Ahmed says, okay, just in case there is any opportunity, please let me know. I'm very good with C hash, .NET, and beginner at Java and Android. Jake says, uh, Jake says, yeah, we are looking for creating an app development team for both iOS and Android. So that could be a possibility. Would you be willing to do a summer internship? Ahmed says, yes. How can you communicate? Jake says, sweet, add me on G plus. Jake since is the name. Ahmed says, okay. So you realize that two people arrange the job opportunity on IRC?
Yeah, that's really cool. Was that the first time they met each other?
Yeah, this was the first time and it was the first conversation, and boom, a job. At least they contacted for a job. I don't know what will happen after that,
Yes,
but
but they might do it. He might do an internship. Yes, that's really good.
I mean, yeah, that's why I just took a screenshot to preserve the memorable moment.
Hmm. We created an active record.
Yeah, I mean, hold on, what the hell? We can't automatically merge these branches. Okay, hold on. What I would say is,
How do you know? Where did you
see
get
on
that message from?
go to the top. Gosh,
It's fairly normal.
go to the top.
Oh yes, on the right. Yeah.
Okay, so before you write the merge pull request, just go back to the terminal.
Hmm.
You have upstream setup, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just control C out of that and just on git pull upstream develop. That's more important. I don't realize how that's happening. Like, I mean, I just merged it in this morning, or was it
Mhm.
yesterday? Maybe, yeah. So he must have
It was yesterday.
merged it
There's
before
more
morning.
stuff. Okay, so there is. Okay, that's automatically merged.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
I
the
don't know how
header.
we made changes.
Oh, just open the header.
This one? Yeah.
Yeah, and just try to do it be as fast as possible. Just I know I don't want to pressurize you, but it'll be good if you could.
Yeah, yeah, we got to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, just remove the line 20.
Mhm.
All right, yeah, it's that, yeah. Remove line 20.
Mhm.
Remove line 29. 28, 28, 28. 28 to 37, in fact.
Mhm. Ah, I
Remove.
see why that is. It's because Sam has commented out that stuff.
Yeah,
That's
remove,
good.
remove,
That's
remove, remove,
easy.
remove. Yeah.
Um, I think we have to go through and undo all of his comment. I think this might be all he commented out. Um,
Yeah. Hold on. Let me just. I think you did a pull request, so just stay there. Stay there. I'll just
yeah,
search up what
I
he did there.
yeah. I
Hold
don't know
on.
if he did a pull request or a commit. I think you're right.
He did a comment, I guess.
Hmm. But I can look if you're worried about power.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Mhm. Because I think we'll be going the wrong way.
Yeah. Go to features slash admin slash navbar. In fact. Hold on. Control C out of everything. Don't open anything. There's the far
Hmm.
better way to do this. Control C out of
Okay.
everything. I mean,
Yeah.
go to the command line.
Yeah.
Or git checkout dash dash dot means just remove all the changes.
I'll get reset merge.
It's yeah, whatever it is. I don't know.
Yeah.
I haven't.
Okay.
Now, hold on. I just need to search something up, but it's really awesome. I'll just revert the commit that he did. You forget about the
Yeah, I
mail.
think we just need to cherry pick that. Yes.
Yeah, do a git log. Git
It
log.
won't be in my log yet. Yeah.
Copy. Go down. Why isn't it log? Just press enter. I go down,
Yeah.
down,
It
down,
won't be
down.
there
It will be there. Yeah,
because
yeah,
we
yeah, yeah.
sync
Stop that. Stop that. Go up, go up, go up. It's possible. Go up,
on page
go up.
at the page.
Yeah, yeah, there. Stop there, stop there. Go up. Go down one by one. One, yeah. Stop there. One down, 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 down. Yeah, slowly, slowly. Yeah, stop this, stop this, stop there.
Yeah. See, this is before he
Uh,
did that commit that you can see there.
yeah, so it will be, I guess, hold on. The commit is 114. The commit I am looking at is 114659985.
Hmm.
Uh, just go down a bit more. Ah, shit. Hold
Sorry.
on. I just stop there. Just it's okay. I'll just list all the commits. I know it's a bit tedious, but
No, it's okay.
commit, uh, revert, revert the change. Yeah, it came back. So no more worries. I got power back. I'm just searching up the article. I remember doing that. Okay, just try get revert. Uh,
Git revert. Yeah, I haven't merged anything. I'm right at our the tip of
yeah,
our
I know, that's alright.
own branch. Git revert.
And then right, got it. So this is a pull request. That's good.
I'll finish the pull request while you read the documents on that. I'll just
Yeah,
I'll write it up and save it. Yeah.
do it in the background.
Mm.
Okay.
Well, I know what we need to do.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Hold on. I'm just trying to
I
find
think
which
we just
command is that.
yeah, but there's another thing that we can do. Well, I'll leave you research and I'll do this, and then
Yeah,
I do have
hold
another
on.
idea, but it's not as good as yours. Yeah.
Before you do that, hold on. Yeah, copy that. Go to the command line.
No, sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
I can revert it, so not a problem. Hold on.
Mm,
We can
yeah.
revert it here. So
Mm. Right. Go to the command line. Right.
go to the
Paste
command
this.
line, paste this after the space. No, with the get revert, then get revert,
Get. Mm-hmm.
get revert, run. Do it.
Yeah. Do that.
Yeah, run it.
Yeah. Nothing happens.
Right, got it.
It's not in the history of this branch.
No, it's there. I saw it. Just do get status once.
Mm-hmm.
Status. Yeah, do get reset head dot. That's why.
Space dot like
Head
that.
dot, yeah. Yeah. Then get status again.
What does this
After
do? Get reset head dot.
it just unstages the file, all the files from these, so that they are not committed. Like
Oh,
you
this file
understand
here.
what? Yeah, you
Yeah.
understand what it means to be unstage.
Yes. That's fine.
Okay, so okay, do that,
Yeah.
and then get status.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got my machine back, so I can try. Okay. Yeah, do status.
Yes. Do you see it yet?
Yeah. Now you do get checkout dash dash dot. Get checkout. Yep, do that. Now you run the revert command. Yes, turn the status. And now you can run the revert command. Do that.
I don't know why. Can you? Does that work on your machine?
Do a get
That revert
status.
line. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now do get diff dash dash staged.
Oh yeah, that is not gift dash dash staged like that.
Yep. Okay, this is interesting. Yeah, you continue writing your pull request. It's unless you
Mm.
already finished it, I'll just.
Yeah, no, not finished it yet.
Okay, so just try doing that. Uh, I'll try it on my machine. All right.
Mm. I know what I would do if.
Yeah, I mean we could always do that manually, but I just want to do it. Find out a way to
Mm.
do this so that in future this doesn't trouble me anymore. Like when I've got the situation to situation to use it, I want to find out the way to do that. So
Hmm.
you get what I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, it usually works. I think it's because you have that .vagrant file. I think because I've tried this once, so I try that again, or it's any
All
other
right.
luck. It basically what it does it creates a new commit.
Mm-hmm.
No, 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 no. I just almost pushed to develop my volunteer branch. That would be such a disaster. Okay. Now I want to do where's that command git? Revert git status git revert. Alright, it was doing its job then. So it was doing it right. Yep, so it was doing it right.
Mm-hmm.
There was a merge conflict because we had changed and we had changed some. There was merge conflict in that because we had changed some files, so that's why. Yeah, I'll just do the revert and push then so that you can fetch it from me. All right. Get revert tutorial. Yes, so now I get it. Since there are merge conflicts in that branch, so what I really need to do is like I need to create a new branch of develop, then I need to revert the commit, then I need to
Mhm.
merge it into the volunteer flag branch. Okay, that is interesting.
Yeah. Um.
It'll take some time, but I'll,
We.
I'll do it. I guess.
I
Let's
can
give
do
it.
it. I'll do it here because. Well.
We have already
Yeah. I'll
started
save
it,
this.
so
We've already started.
okay.
I was going to say all you need to do is to, rather than create a branch, you just need to merge the SHA. Because you can just give the SHA as a reference. I'll show you what I mean.
But the problem is
Because I
like I
can
need to
revert
create a
it.
new branch. I need to create a new branch to revert.
No, you
Uh,
don't. Watch. I
all
just need
right.
to.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
I just need to grab this one, the one prior to the one that we don't want, and merge that. And merge that in.
I'm not sure if that helped because that
It
was
doesn't
just a
work, you
merge.
know.
No, it won't
You're
work.
right. It doesn't work. Yes.
Hold on.
Ah,
Give me a minute.
I
I'll
see
just
what you
do
mean
it.
now.
That won't
I
work.
watch. I will watch. I see why it's not working.
Yeah, see now it's reverted because there was some merge conflict, so that's why it wasn't working. Now that I've
Oh, it was so
committed
quick.
these,
It went because the video was laggy. I didn't see what happened. Oh, it gave
uh,
you a. I see. It
oh,
gave you.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it again.
No, it's all
So
right.
I,
I think it was.
yeah, I switched to a new branch, then reverted the commit. Okay, that's bad. Develop. I messed it up. Branch dash D. Git checkout. Revert merge. Git log. Yeah, so it created a new commit to revert that. So perfect. Now I can check out to volunteer flag. Then I can merge, revert, merge. There will be conflicts. So, well, there was no conflicts. Git status. Now I can go and check what's up with the Vim. Yeah, perfect.
That process
So
makes
everything went.
sense, but yeah, yeah, is it
Every,
documented anywhere?
no, I just found something else.
Hmm.
Which guy was doing something else? So something came to my mind and I did that.
Hmm.
It was like he was rebasing of another branch because the
Hmm.
current one had conflicts. So I just did rebase with I just replaced rebase with revert and it worked.
Ah, good. So you just said, yeah. So
I Yeah, I just want to make sure it's gone for good.
you should be able to yeah, delete the other branch. Let's see. Let's look at your history.
Yeah, so the nav bar is not commented out, so perfect. The merge
Yeah.
what as expected. Now you can pull from mine
Yeah.
in three, two, one, and now I
Hmm.
will delete that branch. See, this is one of the reasons I just love Git. I want
Hmm.
if I was with SVN or some other, then I would have to do line by line,
Yeah,
probably.
I never seriously worked with SVN, so yeah, it would be hard
Yep, you can
if
pull
you
it
can't
stuff.
replicate branches, local branches. Git pull sound pretty.
Volunteer flag.
Yeah,
Did you do
it's
the pull
my.
request?
I did, but I will add this to the pull request.
Yeah, then you need to push again.
Yeah,
I'll just check what you wrote in the pull request because
yeah,
might,
we can update it. Yeah,
yeah. Since I have some time now, so hold on, I need to make a phone call maybe. After this is over, I might do another pull request. I know another session after the Atlantic Scrum, trying out
hmm?
Travis with S3. If you wanted to join, then
uh, I've done something bad.
no, no, that's all right. You push to develop.
I know. Oh yeah. That's I've done.
I did the same thing. This is one of the reasons I usually don't want people to give me push access to their repositories because you never know. I almost did that once and I had to control C at the last moment thanks to my
Mhm.
internet speed. Like if my internet speed wouldn't have been slow, then the whole branch would have been gone. The develop branch.
Right. If I see that now, oh, it's not showing up.
Refresh.
Oh, I haven't sent it. Have I? I haven't sent it. That's why. But I will not want any of this stuff because
Yeah, and
it's alright.
also add to deactivate. I mean, where you have to deactivate, also add an to activate.
Hmm.
Yeah, there. Go activate.
Am I spelling it correctly? Let me double check.
Yep, yep,
Um,
yep.
yeah. Okay, good.
Yeah, I'll just share the link. Uh, where is it? Never mind. Yeah. So let me just go through that Travis thing which I wanted to try out today. I think when is Sam's pull request merging day?
Wednesday.
Okay, so he'll be having a lot of pull requests till then because I'll be
Hmm.
sending in this. Yeah, it's now that it's done. I'll just work on the Jasmine rake fix as well.
Yeah.
Status git log and rake Jasmine CI.
Now, I can't tell if it can be automatically merged anymore.
Well,
How will
you
I find out?
can. Hold on. Let
I
me
guess I
go
can
to
do. I
that.
guess I can just do it. If I
No, no,
do.
no, no. Don't, it's not required. It's not required. Hold on.
Oh, there's a quicker way.
Uh, yep. Just click on edit. Go there. Go there. No need to do that. Go to the pull request and click on edit.
Hmm.
Yeah. Scroll up. I guess you need to manually do it.
Yeah, I manually do it with the throwaway branch git. Um, git check out b test. Can I automatically merge
Spray.
git
KRM.
merge
X was
from
just.
tier flag? Yeah, it's a fast forward merge. Um,
Does it break?
no, because it's a fast forward merge. Watch. I don't have
Oh, I
my
mean
git on here.
it's not even a recursive merge. Wow.
No, it's a fast. The reason why is because of the way you designed it. You just went
Yeah,
to
yeah, I
the
got it. I got it.
yeah, you went to the head and added another commit, a revert commit, and that was all.
Perfect.
That's very nice.
I'm so happy that
Yes.
it's a fast forward merge.
Yeah.
I mean, I really hate those extra merge lines they have. You know the ones I mean.
Hmm.
Like those merge commits. Usually, like what people do is just
There
rebase.
is a merge commit there, but it's not
Uh,
very important. I
I
don't.
think that's the one you did right now.
Well, this says you're the author of it.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah,
the
that's the one
merge.
you did where you saved it.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
this
what.
is.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
the one
because
where
you did
I.
that in the develop branch, and then you did that in the
Yeah,
volunteer ops branch. That's where it
yeah,
all
this
came
is the
from.
one.
Hmm.
Yeah,
But it was an automatic merge, but that was the recursive merge.
yeah. That was
That's
the
it.
recursive merge,
Hmm.
which made this a fast forward merge.
Mm, lovely. Yeah.
Where is this find slash r dot jasmine dot rake? How do I do a recursive search? With find.
Grep R, grep, grep, space dash R. You're searching in the text of the files.
I want to know where the jasmine dot rake file is. I just want to find the file name.
Oh, I can never remember the. It's fine, but I can never remember
Never mind,
the
I'll do that.
uh, the find recursive
Papers.
Unix.
Where is it? Papers. Test.
Yeah, I think it's just find space dot find. See, it's so easy that nobody ever writes a tutorial on it. Find where to look, criteria, what to do. Oh, instead of using xargs, I think what you would do is, what are you looking for? The jasmine.rake? Yeah, I think it's in config, in the spec file, but I don't recall. Um, find dot grep jasmine. Yeah, that's how to do it. Can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Yeah,
and I remember I had to run.
yeah.
I have to switch on Travis for testing this.
hmm Oh, we forgot, didn't we? I wonder if my Travis is switched on. I bet it's not. Let's check. Sam's
Hello,
still here.
Dave. In.
Did you see my screen for how to do the recursive search?
Hello, David.
It's this here.
I think you're muted.
Yeah.
I just can't hear you, or your microphone is not working, or whatever it is.
I
Hello.
wonder what the matter with my microphone is. My microphone is working.
I still can't
Hello.
hear you.
Um, yeah,
I think you should check your microphone or sound settings.
yeah. Let me
Yeah, but I
see.
can't hear you, David. I
No,
can
I
see your
see.
screen as well.
Yeah. Can you see my
Yeah.
name? Can you see my Facebook? I think my
Yeah,
microphone's
I
working
can see
because I
the
see the
thing that's flashing on
graphics
your
from
screen.
Hangouts.
I think it's like I can see that you are. What do you say?
Yeah, I am speaking, but
No,
I
it's my
think the
hang
sound is
also.
transmitting,
It,
but it's not receiving you. Your
nope, nope, nope.
Hangout's not receiving it.
It was a pretty. I can hear you now. It's the thing was like my headphones had come out just a bit, so I couldn't hear you at all. Like the voice was cut
Oh,
off.
I got you. hmm
So now you can share your screen. It wasn't a quality problem. So
Yeah, no, I was trying to show you this command here. Um, it does search everything. It searches in Git as well, so I can see old commit messages from my branches that you probably don't have. But
okay, yeah, cool. I got that anyways. So,
mhm.
let's try this. Wow, Travis has changed his layout. Did you notice?
No, I haven't. I haven't loaded it yet.
Come on, have a look at this fast. It's awesome.
Oh, it looks the same for me. Maybe you'll get. I'll just go to the Hangout, see what you can see. Right. Show me your screen.
You
Oh
see
yes,
this?
there's a little button, and just there's a new bar with at the top telling you how many lines have passed, or how many. Yeah, number 147. That's the number. I see. Yeah, I like that. Yes,
Yeah, let
and
me
it's
just switch
running.
on. Where is Travis? Oh, it's on for local support. Yeah, I didn't know that. Yeah, it's running. It was running all the time. So
Yeah, it's been. Oh, yeah. You mean your repo, your Travis account? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I
Yeah, I'll
don't,
have a
it
look
was
at mine.
switched on. I just didn't know. Do you by any chance know what was the port for Jasmine?
The what for Jasmine?
Ah, never mind. I know it. Nothing. I was talking about the port.
The port? No, I don't.
Yeah, it's 8888.
Yeah, it normally tells you when it fires up the server, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, where's it gone? Ah, it's gone there. I just need a project to justify trying this language here. It's like Ruby, but it compiles into JavaScript.
What
And
is
it
it?
comes with, it's called Amber.
Oh, okay.
It's based on Smalltalk 80. So it's really, really similar to Ruby,
Cool.
but it compiles to JavaScript.
Try it out. Like, show me an example.
I'm just trying to think what I could write here to do it. There's not much. Let's see. Oh, here's the examples code. Oh, that's a really simple one. But I could just, where's the workspace? Counter in this place. Yeah, there's some exercises somewhere to do, but I could just do
Yeah, trying
um,
to. Hold on, let me try
C.
it.
No, that's not correct.
Can you open the Travis build on your screen? Uh,
I broke it. Right, yeah.
no, can you
That's
open the
still wrong.
Travis build? Yeah. Okay, never mind. The other one. Okay.
Is it crashed? No, it's just.
It's past.
Yeah, it's it seems to have um, frozen. Oh no, it's just loading up Rails. There we go.
Yeah, if you Zeus.
Give it another 5 minutes. My last build took 12.5 minutes, so this one's going to take even longer. But so the trick is just to install the all the gems as a tarball and to ship them up to Travis in one go.
Yeah.
Hmm.
There's this guide. Hold on, I'll just show it. What we are doing here. Yep, this one. It's in
Hmm.
the group chat.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't think
What?
there's bandwidth.
When I go to the Amberlang website, it says it works.
Ah, it's amberlang.net, not .org.
Someone stole it.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to .net, .org.
I think someone stole it then.
But there's a tutorial somewhere. Here we go, interactive tutorial. That would be more fun. It doesn't show you the actual GUI though. So there it compiles to some JavaScript that pops up the regular JavaScript alert window. I think I will just do that. Yeah, from the GUI from the IDE. Where is it? Workspace.
Tasks.
No, it's still not working.
Interesting. Grep, Tashar, Jasmine, Vim's mine. This Jasmine thing is proving to be a real pain. The XCon thing was pretty easy.
Was it the X1 thing was easy? The Jasmine thing is difficult, and
Yeah,
it could give problems for Travis.
let me see. Ah, right, I need to do this. How can I forget? This will probably work. Let me see. Bundle update. Then this Jasmine. Jasmine jQuery else. Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, that's the other alternative is to hide the message, but
Let me see. Uh-huh. Ah, so it seems like we are running multiple servers maybe. Red dash R
yeah,
A.
that's really thick. Not nice. Haha, I like it. Oh yes, you're gonna have a problem. Um,
What is it?
um, Well, it seems to me that this, even though your credentials are encrypted, um, I think they could be stolen using this method.
Which method?
This method in the this method for uploading the bundle to S3. But I think the other option is just to upload it.
Wait, how is it possible that, because since I'm encrypting the AWS S3 and key and secret, so how is it
Oh, you
possible that
you're doing it on the Travis gem. So I see. So Travis, you're uploading it
it's
to
on my
Travis.
local machine actually? It's on my local machine.
Yeah.
I'm doing that.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that. That's good. Yeah. So it never goes anywhere near.
Ah, what am I supposed to do with this? Just don't get it.
With Jasmine, yeah, it's pretty tough. Maybe we need a separate branch for Jasmine than for the other picks.
No, 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 no. Let me see if the error is thrown now. Okay, so if I remove the jasmine.rake, it works locally, but it doesn't work on Travis. So what I should do is I need to go here, JavaScripts and helpers, so support Jasmine the YML, Jasmine helper. Now I go shift F, Jasmine. Yeah, there is bound to be something where something or the other about solving this, but it'll take some time to research.
Mhm.
What about this?
No, what is that?
That was the thing I was talking about. My spoiled command line.
Oh, I see. It's a different error, but yes, a rather funny hack for the error. Oh, why did I do that?
Alright, this won't work. Uh-huh.
Do you have jasmine.rake in website 1?
No, we are Rails 4, so we don't have it.
Oh, okay. I think the problem, yeah, is comes from running Jasmine in it when you set
Let
it
me
up.
just check. Yep, we have that deleted long ago.
Hmm.
Not that.
Okay.
Removing Jasmine.exe doesn't work on Travis. This is the solution, but I just don't know how to do that.
Hmm. Yeah, I stopped. I mean, I try. I have. That's that branch you saw there. I stopped for the same reason. But
Let me try this. Oh my god, Skype lag.
hmm.
Can you do some Google searching and try and find out if is there a solution for this problem, or are you doing something else? I mean,
Google searching, yes. Which particular error message are you getting stuck on?
yeah,
Do
it's
you
the
think?
thing is like just try and solve this Jasmine issue if it's possible. Like the uh, use what do you say? Use Jasmine dot rake. I mean the one
Yeah. Well, let me
the
show you
one.
a let me show you a conversation. This is an old issue. It's actually fixed since we used it. So I'll just go have a look. And you, yeah. But I'll put this in the group chat.
Oh yeah, I got it. Never mind, it's possible.
The
I think I solved it.
oh,
Just
you
doing
got
again.
an idea?
I
Because I think
I think
the
I think
problem,
so. I think
yeah, the
so.
problem is that instead of using the generator script, somebody ran Jasmine in it, and it did all the wrong things.
Yeah, let me try this. Git status. Now, what I need to do is go to config environment.rb and just add it here. What the? I'm telling you, my clipboard is completely gone. It's because of that stupid application Xclip. I think
Xclip.
so.
Yeah, throw
Yeah,
that
which
away.
yep, it's going away now. Enough is it? Enough of it. Purge. Bye bye. Bye bye. Gone. Gone for good.
Hmm.
Yeah. now I can try that. Let's see what happens. I hope it just works. Yeah, so there's just one way to do that. That's ENV. This is not a very good way to do this, but this is the last solution. By the way, David, do you remember that day when Zeus was asking, uh, like, run to see backtrace?
Mm, say that more slowly. Oh, run to see backtrace. Yes, it was. Yes.
Yeah, do you figure out how to see the backtrace?
No, I didn't.
Yes.
Or I did
So
find out what was wrong, but have you?
what it really meant was you had to run Zeus test to see the backtrace or any of those commands, which is red. So I just ran Zeus DB console or one of the commands, and that showed me the backtrace. As simple as that.
Ah, good, good, good.
So
Is
it,
it
it
the
was
same?
it was it was as literal as it meant. Huh?
Mm, good.
Work these work. Zeus. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't.
I've got another idea. Can you let's see.
Wow.
Can you push your fixes branch as it is? You don't need to commit
No.
anything, but can you push your last commit?
Nope, nope, nope. Hold on. This is going to screw my computer. Yeah.
No,
What
yeah,
was
I'll
it?
look into that.
What was it?
Can you push your latest commit that you have on fixes?
Okay, yeah, that's just the XCon thing.
Yeah,
It's up in three,
I think I have. I think it's already there.
two, one. Oh, it's already up.
Oh, good. Right. I will just pull that after this cucumber is run, and I'm going to try something else
Where is it?
based on what you told me about Git earlier. Um,
Tasks. Just
5 minutes it took to run those cucumbers. It's There must be some tuning that we can do to VirtualBox to make it go a bit quicker. But maybe not. Maybe I am too optimistic. How did my Travis do? Still running? Oh, done. At the top. Passed.
What?
It passed. The RM pull request on the feature flag, it passed on Travis. As it should.
Yeah, it did. And I am. It work. It's not even supposed to work, in fact. So, why? Oops. Yes, it worked. Woohoo! David?
Yeah. RSpec worked.
So, the Jasmine Rake issue is gone.
Oh, good. We just need to make it. Oh, good.
Yeah,
Make it go on, Travis.
I have to just add this here. Let's just push this up and let's see what happens. Git status. Okay, and a cucumber. So finally, after it was just this one liner. The rake and rake Jasmine CI. It will be, I think. Yeah, it works on Travis now. Travis, and we
Handy
no
note.
don't need this. Need this and okay, add the okay, commit remove removing Jasmine and from Travis. Okay, and now get push origin fixes. Okay, so now that it's finally solved, there was just one more thing that I wanted to try out. You remember, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like running bundle update.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Let's do that. Oh, so if this works, then I'll make the pull request of the whole thing, or else I'll just make the pull request of
I think the
just
smaller ones will be. I think he'll be happier with this smaller ones.
yeah. I'll just make the pull request as it stands now, and
Yeah,
I'll just run the bundle install for just to see what happens. I mean, it's never too bad to be on the edge. I mean, to be on latest, right?
that's right.
Fixing deprecation issues for XCon and Jasmine.rig. I think there was a story in Travel Pivotal, wasn't there?
Yes, there is. Yes, there's a story in Pivotal. We want to put the
Yeah, so
number
I
of
might
before
have
we
to.
close it.
I'll need to take ownership then. Oh my god, so many things have been changed.
Yes.
XCon, Star, and Jasmine the Rake. Star. Now I can send a pull request, updated xcon, and to fix the xcon deprecation warning, added use jasmine break equals true in the application, the RB to fix the jasmine warning application wide. Send pull request.
Did you put the pivotal tracker things in the
Yeah,
comments?
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Pivotal tracker local spot.
Yeah, pivot. So I'll just find you the links. I've got it open already.
Yeah, I have it already. So
All right,
I just started them.
Jasmine. Yeah,
Ah, ah,
it's a story. It started. It's already got your name on it. Yeah.
it's no, no. Hello.
Yeah, still here.
Yeah, yeah. I thought my browser crashed. So
Yeah.
paste
Um,
update. Yep, that's done.
I don't think that's the way to do it in a. Let me see. Um,
How do you guys do it
Git.
usually?
Oh, we don't have never done it, but I
Oh yeah,
thought I
hold on.
thought that GitHub had a special syntax for linking pivotal tracker from a pull request.
Just try and find it. I'll just
Yeah, I just looked for it. I think you need to put the
yeah.
ID in the commit message. You might need to uh, amend the commit and push it again.
Um,
You see there?
I
You just
I
put
guess
the
I'll
commit
just
ID like that.
I don't get it actually. How do you want me to do it? Well, could you just
Like
fetch
this.
my could you just fetch my fixes branch and push it so that I can do it now? That's possible.
Actually, I don't.
I
Oh
mean,
right. Oh
like
yes, just push
you.
another commit. I'm not sure. I just push a white space commit.
Oh,
Yeah, I
so
can
you
do that.
want me to have that in the pull request heading?
No, that goes in the commit message.
Ah, okay. I didn't see that in your pull request, so I don't know.
No, no, we've never done it before. It just means it will close it automatically. You won't need to hit finish on your story.
Yeah, I
Should be
guess
there.
I'll just hit finish. Let it be. I'll hit finish manually
Yeah,
for now. Because like redoing the
just
commits will be an hassle.
yeah.
Update and then finish and finish. And should I click finish on your feature flag as well?
I think I will just do this.
Should
Yes,
I click
yes,
finish?
please. Yeah.
Yep. And then This add dot vagrant to get ignored. I'll do that.
Haven't done
Should
it
I
yet.
do that? Yeah. And then
Haven't done it.
investigating feature flags. Finish.
Yeah, we'll finish that now.
Okay. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. So we finished two stories.
Mm.
Well,
Mhm.
why were these chores? Oh yeah, these were chores because this wasn't requested by the user. So yeah.
Mhm.
Now all I'm waiting for is for the bills to pass, and then
Yeah. I didn't make a note of how much time we spent on it today. I know that we started
it's
about 3 hours.
it will be in the Hangout recording, but still it's around how much we started at 4:29. That's three
Hmm.
hours already.
Yeah.
By the way, one more thing. Do you
So.
think we should be like when I was making the invoice for the paid pairing yesterday, and
Hmm.
it only had a section for the month of May. Do we like will the month April be included, or will it just be month of May?
Oh, it's definitely April. Yes. Where's the? I haven't looked at the invoice template lately. I think he updated it, didn't he?
No, he
Uh,
doesn't. I mean, it's still May, April.
April. Yeah. Well, the work was the bulk of the work was in April, but you and I did some work in May that I guess we should bill. If
Yeah,
the money's run out, we
I
don't get
think
paid for it. But
I did the 11 hours, like 8.5 plus 3, 11.5 in May.
hmm. Hmm.
And
All
then
right,
I
it's
think
more than I thought.
in April I did around 6 to 7 hours maybe, or something like that. I don't remember how much exactly.
Hmm.
Let me just check. Drive. I don't really use Google Drive so much, so it's always
No, I get lost in it, but
okay.
I'm sharing my screen at the moment, and I see
Cool. So all
a
the
thing,
bundle is
but it doesn't
updated.
say anything. It doesn't say anything about the month in this one,
Which one is it?
so I don't know if there's a different version.
Are
This
you
is just
sure? Have a look at
yeah. So
that.
where
Like,
did you see the month?
I'm on my paid pairing and all that, so I'll just show it to you. Hold on.
Ah, see that's paid pairing invoice. So
Have
is
a look
this
at
a
my
copy you
screen.
made? Yeah, I can.
Hold on. 1 minute, cucumber. Updated the bundle and there were no errors, so just running everything. Yeah. So I did this one here in the time card. I have a section for me.
Oh, and the time card.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
but you definitely need to. I
wow.
think the time cards. You just top copy the May one and make an April one.
Nice. So error. I faced an error because I updated
Mm-hmm.
to Gmaps for Rails, which I shouldn't have.
Why not? Oh, Gmaps for Rails version 2. Yes, no, it has to be version 1. Gmaps for Rails version 2 has all the functionality ripped out.
Why is that? I just didn't understand. Like, why did he remove
Oh,
everything out?
he wrote a blog post about it, and he said there's another gem that does it better.
What?
The geocoder gem does that job much better. So he focused on the graphics only. He ripped out all of the geocoding stuff.
Is there a blog post for that?
Yeah. Let's see.
Can I get the link?
I just need Gmaps.
I don't know. That's a pretty bad decision. I don't understand. Or
Uh,
maybe it's a good decision. I don't really know.
no,
I should just.
it's his open source decision.
Yeah, it's his
It's his
project.
project
So.
to do what he wants with. But yeah, GitHub. I don't know where his blog is for it. Oh, here.
Give me the link if you find it.
Okay, there's the link for his web page, but I haven't found the link for the page where he said he's deleted everything yet. If you want the old thing, just use the old version.
Oh yeah, I'll find that out. Hold on. One way to do that: G maps for Rails version 2.
Oh, it's not in the blog post; it's in the README. But here I can find it. He's put it in the wiki, so I will post that there for you. Here it's in the group chat.
Guy. Okay. So it seems like everything is working with updating it. After
Hmm.
updating it, I mean the cucumber at least. I'll do the aspect.
Did you revert the Gmap for Rails change, or
Yeah, I
did
did.
you just leave it?
Yeah, I reverted it.
Hmm. I guess we just need to find what the oldest, most recent version is. We'll just do a squiggle one, uh, tilde one releases. Here we go. Yeah. Well, the last one was 1.5.6.
Yeah, I kept it at 1.5.6.
Hmm.
One thing I found out was that like previously I was using Ubuntu with VirtualBox, and my cucumbers usually took 5 minutes and all that. An aspect took 1 minute, and it means like I couldn't like really use full all my RAM and processor power when I was on VirtualBox. So
Hmm.
I switched to my dual boot, and it works awesome. Like
Hmm.
everything's done so fast. Like it's
Yeah.
about 100% or 200% change. A cucumber is passing with the aspect.
Yeah. It
So
just
I'm
makes
really
it that
happy I did.
if you ever do want to rebuild a box, it makes it a bit tougher. It's
Yeah, I mean,
not so reproducible. But,
yeah, true, but still,
but the
I think,
speed makes all the difference, doesn't it?
yeah,
I'm just
at least
wondering.
go on.
Oh, what's going on? That's not the right thing. Vagrant
Okay,
SSH.
like, did your SAS puppy get downloaded?
Oh, I haven't even tried downloading SAS Puppy. I was trying to download the courseware VM image.
I mean,
Yeah, SAS Puppy sounds nice.
no,
Yeah,
I
no, I've
mean,
set it for I set it for midnight tonight.
it's still. I thought like you put it when you went to sleep. I didn't realize that. Oh, aspects passing enough. Rick,
Hmm.
Jasmine, CI.
I'm not sure. Oh, I need to show you what I changed. I think I made an error in that script because I didn't put hash bang bin bash at the beginning, so it probably wouldn't have run. So I did. Um, I put the hash bang bin bash at the beginning. If you're used to doing that,
Yeah, I know. That's like to set the
yeah,
compiler, right?
yeah.
If this works, then I'll just switch over to another branch where I'll do all this.
Hmm. Yeah, that'd be
Like
nice.
I'll send
Yeah.
another pull request, and then I'll do. I don't understand. Like, do you know why Sam's not upgrading to the latest Rails 4 and Ruby 2?
Um, No one ever finished. The task is in the icebox, but no one's ever asked us to move it back over into current and start it again. We've just been busy with other things. It's quite a small team, so it's
I'll do
always
this.
been last. So there's no reason not to. Um, I think we need to be on Rails 4.1.
Yeah, I mean
I think it's
4.1 adds
worth
so
the
many
effort.
awesome features. Well, like, I mean
Really?
everything. Yeah, and
It-
what?
I
It
thought it
failed.
only added turbo links, and we don't need turbo links for. Maybe we do want turbo links, but I don't see the use for it.
Ah, it failed for some reason. Yeah.
Whoa. Oh,
What is it? Fixes. Well, it didn't fail then, but I think it's just a matter of restarting the build again. I hate it when like things like these happen. It's like failing for no
you know
particular
what
reason.
though? This is using rather a lot of memory because this VM that I set up with Vagrant, it's only 374 megabytes, and I don't know why it's so small.
Ah, no, damn,
It uses.
this is much. I need to wait for Sam to come back and then restart the build again. So, 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 I'll try and push an empty comet if that's possible. I don't know why. Do you know if it's possible to push an empty commit, David?
You can't. No, I don't. You can't make an empty commit. I don't think. You have to make a white space change to make a dummy commit.
Let's see an empty commit and get. I don't know. No, no, no.
Why don't you? Oh well. If I turn on my Travis, maybe I can get it to run on my Travis.
Oh yeah, it's there. It's get commit dash dash allow empty.
Oh, that's new. Good.
Or wait, what's this allow commit? I think it's because yeah, it's allowed. Cool,
Hmm.
nice. I like that. Like, have you do you know that like the what do you say? The merge commits are empty commits.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, if you have a look. Hey, what's up with this? This Rake Jasmine CI is not working now. After that,
No, what did you do to it?
yeah, I don't know. I think I'll look into that later. Let me just send an empty commit to this. Git status git dash bundle
Oh,
paste.
there's a
Yep.
problem with that PS1 that you gave me. Is that it doesn't update the title of the terminal. It's really annoying.
Oh, you still use that? Cool.
I'm still
Yeah,
using it for now because I didn't throw it away. Um, but I think the normal Ubuntu one will update that for me
yeah.
when
Just
I
keep it.
change.
Mine is pretty useless, I guess. I don't know.
Well, no, I think yours is fine, but it needs adding on to what I had already. So instead
Wait.
of export PS1, it would be export concatenated to the existing one or something. But no, that would be silly.
That's not
Just need to
that's
edit
not possible.
line. It's not
Oh, hold
possible.
on,
That would
hold
be
on,
too
hold on.
long.
Go to the default bash. That's possible.
How? Oh yes.
Do you have the default bash? Yeah, open sh. No. Control D out of that. Control D.
That's something weird. Yeah.
No, because sh1 does not appear on. Yeah. Go to the bash rc.
Oh right.
That won't work.
Hmm.
Go to the bash
Oh, I
rc.
don't have
Yeah.
the editor.
Yeah. Just go to scroll to the bottom.
Hmm.
Just comment that out for now,
Hmm.
and then save the file. And then just run bash. Or yeah, start again. What's that for? Dot dash a.
That for the SSH agent. So if you're running this on your home machine, and you unlock the key, that means I can use GitHub from
Oh
the
yeah, got
Vagrant
it.
machine.
Yeah, just go into your vagrant. Yeah. Now try echo dollar ps1 echo dollar ps1. Yeah. And yeah, what was the problem you're facing, by the way?
Oh, yeah. Do you see this? The window title. See, I change directories. This always gets updated with the host name, with the username, host name, and directory.
Okay, hold on. That's something else I need to look up. Hold on.
It's really nice. I mean, that's in here. You can
Date.
uh, copy paste it from here if you like.
Where is it?
I'll give you this.
I
Yeah,
don't think that's what it does.
that's one of the things I think it does. Yeah,
I need to
but
find
you'll
out. Hold
have to
on.
look it up. But yeah, I live with my existing one. I will, in fact, I will
Yeah.
just
Keep
tinker
it.
with that because I need to. Any changes I make, I don't want them in here in the bash RC anyway because I'm going to blow it away. I want them in the dot files. Um, but I think you'll probably find the same in your bash RC in
Yeah.
Ubuntu because I think it. Um,
Yeah. So it's pretty interesting that I have an empty commit. Push origin. I don't know how GitHub will show it. Git push origin fixes. Yeah. And now if I go to pull request.
here it's done. Yeah. Yeah, this is the bit. It's line. I don't have line numbers on here, but you'll find it here. If you search for Xterm, you'll find it's doing this. Actually, I wonder what dollar term is.
Dollar is actually wow. I spend all the time from Atlantis come to Euros till Atlantis comparing.
Yeah, is that all right?
No, no,
I think you've
I
achieved a
guess.
lot.
Huh?
I think you've achieved a lot. Let me just
Yeah,
check
that's a,
something. I just have to step away a moment.
yeah. But by the way, hold on. Are you there? Hold on. Sorry. Hello.
Yes, I'm back.
Yeah. So I guess we'll end the broadcast now that. we everything's over. We've successfully finished up the volunteer feature, and then I'll send a pull request for fixes, and then
Mm-hmm.
I'll finish up. I'll try and do some more with this PS1 if I can. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Bye. See you
Okay.
in the scrum.
Bye.
Okay. Just you can stop the broadcast.